Find the answer among this exponent. Look, here is p square and p to the power 4. Base is same, so power multiplication will be 8. So p 2 plus 4, here is p to the power 6. Okay, and here is division, so power will be minus. So we can write like this: q 3 minus minus 4, it means q 3 plus 4, so answer will be q to the power 7. And here r to the power 2 to the power 3, so we can write r2 into 3, it means r to the power 6. Here rules is a to the power m into a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n, right? And this one, a to the power m divided a to the power n, it means a to the power m minus n. And here is a to the power m to the power n, it means a to the power m into n. Thank you.